Monday, January 15, 2024. Focus. Your disciples do not fast. A good question as to why Jesus' disciples were not fasting while others were. But even better, as always, was Jesus' answer of spirit-filled wisdom. It exposed a classic rift between the law of the old covenant and the grace of a new covenant. The law requires people to fast, but even in the Old Testament, wedding guests were exempt from fasting. And Jesus referred to himself as the bridegroom, thus making his disciples wedding guests. Fasting disciplines the senses. We value the things more when we abstain from them. While thanking God for his generosity, unfortunately, amongst the Pharisees of that time, fasting had become merely ritualistic. Is it not so for us, many of us? Instead, fasting must be for the love of God. Lord, I love you more than the food I will eat today. If an unwashed new cloth is set as a patch on an old garment, it shrinks when soaked and ultimately tears away, causing greater damage to the garment. Similarly, a new wine as it matures causes a brittle old wineskin to burst. When we are soaked in the Holy Spirit, our lives are like a new clothes or a new wineskin. Old ritualistic practices either lose their meaning or gain a much deeper spiritual significance founded on grace. Fruits. I will renew my life daily through prayers and charity, that I may become a worthy receptacle for the Holy Spirit.